Hi, good morning, yeah. Today, what I'm going to make very nutrition and healthy all kura chamcham, all vegetables and dal. This is like a salad, also different style of a salad. Come on, we'll make it. Come. This is not my recipe. I went to my friend's house function and they made it, and I asked them the recipe how to make, and they told me. Then I'm trying, and this is very healthy thing. Yeah. Now, what you have to do? Soak the moong dal. Sorry, I have to show like this. See, yeah, this is a moong dal. Very less water only we have to keep. Then boil that one. Okay. Just I'm removing the water. Just I don't want to waste this water. Where I'll keep it. I will. Sorry, I'll put it this one. Just how much you wanted dal, no, little bit, like this only. Then don't put more this thing. Okay, water. This much is enough. Now you have to boil, not cooked actually. Just boil it. Okay, because you can put it like that also. But I tried that one. The taste is not very good. When you're boiling, adding little salt in this, that time only the taste is yum. Okay, come. See ya, now very less water. Just you have to boil. Now I'm adding the salt in this. Just see. Add little bit salt only. The taste will be very nice. Okay. That's all. Now see. Yeah. Just and close the lid. See how I cut the vegetables, no, like fried rice only. And this is the cabbage, and this is the carrot, one cup, and this is the beans. Okay, now we are not getting that not beans. Yeah, this is only now the hybrid beans only we are getting. This is one tasteless only. Really, you try that one, so tasty that I'm not able to get. But I'm not getting that one also. Where I'll buy the seeds and all, organic. Not at all. Maybe if I go somewhere in the village, maybe I'll buy, and I'll show that what is the difference. This hybrid one and that beans also. That is really, I'm telling, so tasty. I can't even tell you. Okay, this is the onion. Very less onion only. Now that's it. Yeah, this is very healthy one. I always, the kids actually, they won't make big recipes. So small recipes means maybe they are trying. I hope that you people are trying and enjoying this one, and easy pussy one like that only. Okay, come on now. See, yeah, like this only, not boil more, like this only. This is enough. Actually, we have to see that dal. That is only important. Now, what I am doing, I'm adding all this thing. First, you have to add the carrot, 1 cup. Okay, how much you wanted, yeah? Because today I'm making 1 cup of this thing, all the raw vegetables one. Then add the beans. Okay, last only you have to add this thing actually, cabbage. Okay, now the sim. Now add it like this. Again, you can add the little bit of the. If you want little water, if you don't want dry, so you can do it. Add the water. Okay, now I'm adding the little bit salt. Okay, sprinkle the salt. Okay, yeah. One tip I'm going to tell you now. What is that means? When you're adding the cabbage, the water, the moisture will come actually. Because of that reason only I'm adding this one. If I add before, the structure will go, that become one soggy. We can't even eat that one. Okay, that is very important tip. That's it. See now how beautiful the color is, with the dal. Fantastic. If you want little water, you can add, otherwise not required. See, now I'm adding this cabbage, full 1 cup. You can make little bit longer also. This has become like one choppy. I don't like, but what to do? Sometimes I'm cutting. I'm thinking what I'm thinking. I don't know. So it will become like this only. See. Outside we are buying the what is salads and all. Yeah, this is good salad only. No, all the vegetables and very tasty one. We can put it in the rice and eat. Wow, very tasty. Okay, see this one. That's it. Now we make the tadka. Now, yeah, close it. This my kadai. Now again high flame. Green chilies and onion. I close it because the steam will, it won't go out. The aroma also it won't go out, so the aroma will be very nice. Now we'll make this one. Come on. Okay, you want take the ghee also, it's okay. I'm using only sesame oil, otherwise I can use the peanut oil also. That also very tasty and very nice. Okay, this my kadai is ready. Just I'm using, yeah, that's it, 1 teaspoon of oil, not necessary more oil for this. Then I'm using hing, little bit, the no, the smell aroma will be very nice. Now I'm adding this all my chene ki dal, all I'll keep it here. So then next is red chilies. This is also how much you want it, because little bit spicy also very nice if you want it, otherwise if you don't want, not required. Okay, this is a green chilies. See, I'm adding the green chilies also. I forgot, yeah, little bit you have to toss this one, then only you have to add the green chilies. By mistake I put it, I told you know, behind the scenes I don't like the perfectly you have to do. No, 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 no. However, in the house you are doing that only everybody like to watch and see, that only it will happen. Okay, doesn't matter. Otherwise they will think, they don't know, no, children will think like that. Oh, maybe I should not do like that. No, no, not like that. It will happen. That is only life. Then only you will get it the experience. Okay, now I forgot the kadi patta. That is the highlight. Okay, sorry. I have to search for that. Curry leaves, I'll show. See, yeah, this will become golden brown. See, nice, no? Now you can add the this. This is very, very less you have to put. Okay, onions. Yeah, toss it like this. Yeah. And especially I want to tell you one more tip also. In there they use the coriander, but it's not good taste at all. I said, why they use the coriander? Not necessary, don't use the coriander. Just curry leaves is the best. Fresh one in my garden, yeah, no time to go there. So I'm using this one only, old one. I'll keep it all like this, yeah. Mango, lady's finger, green chilies. In the container I'll put it. It won't spoil actually, but not required. Yeah, don't keep it like that. If you don't have time, then only. Otherwise you can use the fresh ones. That is the best way to do it. Okay, like this. Now what to do? Now see this one. Okay, now you can add all these things. Yeah, see the color. So beautiful. See, all the nutrition is here only. Now you have to add the coconut also. I will add it. Now this is the best. See, you can eat it like this only. Yeah, so nice. Otherwise you can mix it with the rice. So tasty, I can't even tell you the rice. My husband used to tell me, don't eat so much of rice, you are eating rice. What to do? Yeah, we are South Indians, we love to eat the rice only. We are used to, you know, from the beginning what to do. Now I have to tell my grandchildren, don't eat the rice, you eat only full carbs and protein. You know, everybody wants protein. So we are used to, wherever I'll see the rice, that's it, I will go like this only, ding, 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 go and I'll eat. Then I feel, so much rice I'm having. What to do? It's okay. Yeah, fine. No problem. I don't like to waste. See how I clean it. I'm keeping like this. I don't know. Yeah. Indian mothers are like that only. I think so. But other people, I don't know. But see now. One more thing you can do. If you want lemon also, you can add it. Now I'm going to add the coconut. You know, if you want to eat tomorrow, don't add the coconut before. That is one tip. Whenever you're eating, you can keep it in the fridge and take it out and heat it little bit. Then after that only, you can add the grated coconut, fresh one. That's it, yeah. Very, very easy. Now you people can also try this one and let me know healthy nutrition, whatever you can think. This one sabji, otherwise salad, whatever it may be, yeah. Something we are eating good food for our health and less oil also. And so many vegetables. That's it. Yeah, time for the taste. Yeah, very hot actually. But anyhow, I'll try. Oh. If you're eating like this also very tasty. If you want, you can add little bit lemon also. That's it, yeah. Put it in rice, nice hot rice and put this one. Nicely have it. Very tasty. Yeah. You people can try and let me know. Enjoy.